this video, I am going to teach you CSS Box Model. And in the code editor, I have added the base code. This margin and padding removes the default browser styles. And I have added a font size of 30 pixel. And I have given a background color of orange, red and yellow, green to two boxes. So these two boxes have a content called box 1 and box 2. First, let me add the properties and I will let you know about each property. So let's add padding of 10 pixel and let's inspect this element. And the CSS box model can be easily visualized by using Chrome developer tools. And if you click the layout button, you can see the box model. So this is the content box. This is a blue color box is called as content box, followed by the padding, which we have added 10 pixel on each side. So this box is called as padding box. Now let's add the margin. Let's add the margin of 10 pixel and let's include the border of 10 pixel solid purple. So what is padding? Padding is a transparent area which is added inside the box. So in this case, the padding is between the content and the border. So this is called as padding. Next, margin. What is margin? Margin clears an area outside the boxes. In this case, the margin is 10 pixel around the box. So this is called as margin. Now let's add the same property to item 2. So these two both have a same margin of 10 pixel, padding of 10 pixel, and each box has a definite height and width. Now let's set each box to 100 pixel height and a width of 100 pixel. After saving this, let's view the height of each box by inspecting it. Even though we have added 100 pixel of height and width, this clearly shows that the width of the box 1 has 140 by 140. That is because the CSS calculates the height based on the top padding, which is 10 pixel in this case, and bottom padding, which is 10 pixel. So 10 plus 10, 20, and followed by top margin, which is 10 pixel, and a bottom margin, which is 10 pixel. So this is equal to 20, this is equal to 20, and this is added to the total height. So this box has a height of 140 by 140. And width is calculated by using a same formula like left padding. In this case, the left padding is 10 pixel followed by right padding 10 pixel, which gives us 20 pixel on total, followed by left margin and right margin, in this case 20. So 20 plus 20, which again equals to 40. So the width is equal to 140. So this clearly shows that this box has a width of 140 and a height of 140. In order to apply this 100 pixel, you have to use another property called as box sizing equal to border box. Now the size of the box changes to 100 pixel by 100 pixel. That is because we have used a property called as box sizing. So let's conclude this video by explaining all the properties I have used. Margin is nothing but the empty space around the box. Padding is a space between the border and the content. And content is the empty blue box. If you want to understand the CSS box model, you can use the Chrome developer tools to understand it clearly. So that's it, guys. This is called a CSS box model. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.